Look! A bathtub! Lovely! Lovely. Oh, lonely. Oh. Look! Listen! Lovely. Well, what a thrill! La 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 bye. I want to come in. Can I? In I go. Ew. I feel ill. Look, do we have spots? I do. A bath! Just what I need after a run.
Dolly! My Dolly! Don't want Dolly to get wet.
Splish! Splosh! It'd be super to have someone to splash with. Hiss! Bliss! Miss!
Excuse me, everyone. I'd better tidy that up. Mess!
Miss! We missed it! Kiss! Foam alert!
Turn the tap off.
Funny, there is no tap. Need to turn it off.
What happened?
Well, we got ill, made a hill, told, fell, found a doll, hit a bell, made a mess, heaved a miss, had a kiss, saw that stuff, turned it off. But all's well that ends well.
Terrific! Once upon a time there was a little red hen who liked to say
No!
every now and then. If you asked him
Help!
or
Have a go.
he always answered
No.
his favourite words were
No.
and
Wait.
not me, not a chance, no, not today, nothing, never, no, not now. But everybody loved him anyhow. One day, N found a seed to sow and needed help to make it grow. Now, little seed, up you go. But the tiny little grain said, Along came D and O and G. D, O, G, dog. I'm Little Red N, won't you help me? Not I, said the dog, and down he sat. No way, said N. Well, fancy that. Then
Here I am.
said good old I.
I can do it. Let me try.
D,
Dig.
D dug a hole.
I planted the grain. G made it rain.
Along came C and A and T. Cat.
The wheat grew tall, now N couldn't see.
I'm Little Red N, I want to eat. Who can help me cut this wheat?
Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat.
Nobody, no one, fancy that. Along came you.
Oh, hi, that's me.
Cut.
We've cut the wheat, as you can see.
Then along came P and I and G. Pig. N looked down.
What a mess,
Said he.
I'm Little Red N, let's make it neat. Who can help pick up this wheat?
Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the pig.
Well, fancy that.
Along came C and K, who said, Pick.
No way,
Said N, who was little and red.
Now who will help me make a mill?
But the animals pretended to be ill. Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the pig.
Well, fancy that.
Along came M and double L.
Mill.
We'll grind the wheat and grind it well.
I'm the little white hen. I'm ready to go. Who can help me mix the dough?
Not I, said the dog.
Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the pig.
Well, fancy that.
Along came
X strikes again. I'm here to help the Little Red N. X, mix.
Nice. Now who will help me bake the bread?
But
All the animals shook their heads. Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the pig.
Well, fancy that. Along came H and O and T. Oh, hot.
It's hot.
Said H.
Throw carefully.
The bread smelled good. Nice, it said. Now who will help me eat this bread? I will, said the dog. I will, said the cat. I will, said the pig. Well, fancy that. Out came the words. No way. Not you lot. No chance. Not today. I'll only share it with my friends.
And this is where our story ends.
No, not enough,
Said the Little Red N. Then he had an idea.
Let's make it 10. 10.
And that's the story of the Little Red N, who liked to say
no
every now and then. But he's learned a new word. Can you guess? The Little Red N can now say,
Yes! Yes to the dog. Yes to the cat. Yes to the pig.
well, fancy that!